U.S. stock index futures pointing to slight gains at the open this Wednesday morning. Right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange, cutting steep losses from earlier in the day as a crackdown in Chinese tech investments by the Trump administration was less restrictive than expected. Now, reports earlier in the week suggested the White House would more actively restrict investment in technology firms by Chinese companies, but instead it appears it will rely on CFIUS, the newly strengthened Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States, to deal with concerns about foreign purchase of sensitive domestic technologies. Meanwhile, taking a look at the forex market, the euro-dollar's worry begin, and that sees the downside prevail. The British pound-US dollar pair sees the downside prevail, and that's in focus as the relative strength index that's capped by a bearish trend line. The 20 and 50-hour moving averages crossing downward, calling for a downturn, in short positions below 132.35 are favored, with targets at 131.70 and 131.35 in extension. Onto the U.S. dollar-Japanese yen pair, that sees a consolidation in place, while the Bitcoin dollar intraday sees a rebound towards 63.93, with 59.35 as Trading Central's pivot point. Moving on to precious metals, gold intraday sees its key resistance at 12.59, and that's in focus as the relative strength index lacks upward momentum. Short positions below 12.59 are favored, with targets at 12.54 and 12.51 in extension. And lastly, silver sees its key resistance at 16.30 a troy ounce. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange on this Wednesday morning, I'm James Sweeney.